Today we're going to be working with a game called Extrasolar in our 11th or 10th and 11th grade biology and environmental science class. The game starts out as an inquiry-based game, and what I have here is the demo that I'm going to share with you to walk through it. And you are blasting off from Earth as your character into space, and then it puts you in this, basically on this planet. And what we're looking at here are the food webs and food chains that we would have on our planet, and relating them to this extrasolar game. And so you see here, it gives you the story, where you're landing on the planet, and then you can move this guy around and go check out different things on this planet. And if we take this rover over to here, we set our directions, time, options, and I've selected my destination for my object that I'm trying to identify. And then I'm going to click the photo. It sends it back to planet Earth, and you have a list of photos that are available for you to analyze. And so once again, we're going to be simulating this with various plants, trees on campus. We use dichotomous keys for leaf identifications and so on and so forth. And in this game, what you have is you can tag these different objects, I guess they would be. And so we'll tag this one here, and I want to add the tag. And this guy, we'll go with this one back here and shrink it. And I'll add the tag. And then this one, we'll go with this guy in the back here, add tag, and submit. And so what you do is you have them classifying. One thing that I encourage all of you to have on your phones, or we'll work in partners, so that if you don't have a phone or an iPad or any personal device as far as that goes, it's an app called Leaf Snap, in which you literally collect the leaves and you place them on a white background, and then the leaves are uploaded over the internet, and they try to look for positive matches. And so it would be something similar to what we have here as far as all of our plants and so on and so forth. And so the Leaf Snap says, hey, this could be a red maple, it could be a silver maple, it could be a red oak, perhaps even a sycamore. Well, not really, but they got some weird ones that are popping up there for results. But it'll be your job to positively identify those plants and trees that you decide to select. Now that you understand your role, when you are in Extrasolar, it'll be time to join our team. As you see here, you sign up and you can start gaming, and keep in mind that your purpose on the planet is the same as the purpose here on Earth, that you need to positively identify trees and plants on the campus. The grading rubric would be as follows. If you positively collect samples, it's 10 points for 3 samples. The positive identification would be 10 points for positively identifying 3 samples. And then to tie it into the different trophic levels, I would like you to have a list of predators, if you will, with the plants that you've selected. And so predators could be something simple, such as a white-tailed deer, or it could be birds that would be eating the seeds and dispersing the seeds. Whatever is applicable for your particular plant that you've selected. So, for example, with the gardens that we have in place here at school, some of the vegetables in the garden, rabbits would be a problem, as we see, and squirrels would be targeting the different acorns that we have, as well as the hickories and walnuts that we would find sporadically on the campus. There's not nearly as many hickories and walnuts that we would have as oaks. But nonetheless, your job is to make the connections there, and that would be an additional 5 points. So for this activity, you have a possibility of 25 points. Depending how things go, there might be some geocaching going on there as well, trying to tie it into the whole space feel. But that could be for extra credit. And for the geocaching piece of the project, we'll discuss that in detail when the time comes. So I wish you the best of luck, and let's go play outside.